AGZA capture.
Hi everyone, Ruben Flores here. I'm with Mount San Antonio College. I'm the manager of maintenance and operations.
I've been here with the college for over 17 years. The last 10 have been in facilities, and the past 4 have been in my current management role.
It's nearly been 2 years since the anniversary of our AGZA Green Zone Level 2 certification. All routine maintenance done with various brands. We have Husqvarna, Stihl, Mean Green, and Nexmo. Continued collaboration is done with AGZA as we field test other equipment as well. Currently, we are in the works of field testing Sunseeker robotic mowers. So AGZA was pretty instrumental as far as facilitating the try before you buy tool testing, and was vital in the procurement of our tools through the South Coast Ed Community Trade-in Program. Transitioning from gas to electric is no easy task. A lot of variables, very complex. AGZA was there with us every step of the way, and without their support, which was very instrumental, we wouldn't have been as successful as we were. With the AGZA Green Zone certification comes the environmental impact report, and that report is key to analyzing the noise and air pollution reductions. Aside from the Green Zone certification efforts, we do continue with our sustainable efforts here. We utilize Turf Tank, which is a robotic field painter for all our fields, upkeep, and then also we utilize Foam Stream, which is a herbicide alternative. The facilities here at Mount SAC are very complex and top-notch, well sought after for filmings and different various shoots for TV shows or ads. Our own aquatics complex is the home site for USA Men's Water Polo.
AGZA capture.